Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to use and care for our compressor nebulizer. Prescription-only product ideal for patients exhibiting symptoms of asthma, bronchiectasis, acute and chronic bronchitis. Let's unbox the nebulizer. The contents include the breathing mechanism, includes also breathing tube as well as 2 sizes of the face masks. It also includes a tubing by which the medication will be administered. We also have an instruction manual which will provide more information as to how to care for and use the compressor nebulizer. And we have the Panda compressor nebulizer with a power cord. To use the compressor nebulizer, we start off by adding one end of the tube to the bottom of the medication cup. Affix it firmly. Then we add the second part of the tubing to the back of the Panda, of the nebulizer, affixing it firmly in place. Then you add the prescribed medication from the doctor in the upper part of the medication cup. There is a component that opens and closes. Ensure it is opened, and then you administer your medication in the slot. Then we ensure we close it completely. And we add our breathing tube or mask, whichever is preferred, and we ensure that to start using, we turn on the nebulizer by pressing the green button at the back of the Panda. And you begin to see the medication being dispensed, by which you add to your mouth and you breathe normally. We can also use, in place of the breathing tube, 2 masks, smaller mask for the younger child, which we simply affix over the membrane, or we use the bigger mask for your older children, teenagers, affix it firmly, and we also allow the process. And you begin to see also the medication be dispensed, by which you place over the mouth and again breathe normally. It is always important to use the medication to the very end as prescribed by the doctor. At the end of the treatment, we turn off the nebulizer. And then we begin to dismantle by taking off the masks, removing the tubing from the bottom, and removing it completely from the Panda. And then we remove the top with a twist and take off. Rinse in warm water, allow to air dry. After it has been thoroughly dried, we simply replace the top, back, and twist to lock in place. And we store in a warm, dry place. Welcome to the compressor nebulizer, providing medical therapy for the treatment of your upper respiratory needs, because every breath matters.